Hey, it's Rich, your NY loan guy. Today is Wednesday, January 20th, and it is the start of a new president. Today is Inauguration Day, and President Biden is set to announce two important financial regulatory positions. One is the new chair of the CFPB with Chopra, and the other is the new head of the SEC with Gensler. That looks to see some more regulatory action, but we'll see what happens. But every Wednesday, we do see mortgage applications, and we saw refis were down 5% from last week. That could speak to rates jumping up from those yields a little bit, but they are up 87% from last year. Purchases were up 3%, and they're up 15% from last year. Now, it also speaks to the strength of the purchase market, with us having about 20% less inventory from last year and prices being up anywhere from 7 to 8%. Good strength in the purchase market. Average loan size came out as $384,000. That's the second highest reading since they started taking these polls. Tomorrow, we're going to get some news on housing starts. But today, we do get a 20-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. Hopefully, that will be well received like the 10 and the 30 were last week. And that can help yields stay in check and keep rates where they are. If you're going to have the commitment to the amount of money that it's going to take to build that home, you have to have the commitment of time and energy by everybody involved. So if you want to know how to build your dream home, I'll tell you. Grab your phone, text or call me. It's simple. I'll tell you. Text or call me. Grab your phone. It's the fastest way of getting a hold of me.